Ever driven a car and felt like it just keeps accelerating smoothly, without the usual gear shifts? That's the magic of a CVT, continuously variable transmission. But how does it actually work? Today, we'll break it down with simple language and an animation to make it crystal clear. A CVT is a type of automatic transmission, but unlike traditional ones with fixed gears, a CVT can change through an infinite number of gear ratios smoothly and continuously. It's like riding a bike with a gear that constantly adjusts itself for the perfect pedaling speed. The secret behind a CVT is a pair of pulleys connected by a metal belt or chain. Each pulley has two sides that can move in and out. As they move, the belt rides higher or lower, effectively changing the diameter just like shifting gears. This allows the engine to stay in its ideal RPM range, giving you smoother acceleration and better fuel efficiency, especially in city driving. Let's talk about the advantages of CVTs. Super smooth acceleration, no gear hunting in traffic, improved fuel efficiency, fewer moving parts than traditional automatics. That's why you'll find CVTs in many fuel-efficient cars like the Toyota Corolla, Honda Civic, and Nissan Altima. But it's not all perfect. Some drivers find CVTs weird. The rubber band effect. RPMs rise before speed catches up, less sporty feel, can overheat or wear out in aggressive driving. Repairs can be expensive. They're amazing for smooth, efficient driving, not for drag racing. So, how does a CVT work? Two pulleys plus a belt equals infinite gear ratios. It keeps your engine right where it's happiest. Now you know why it feels different, sounds different, and drives so smooth. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car tech made simple. And hey, comment below. Have you driven a CVT car? Love it or hate it?